Hello art students. So today this video is just going to show you all, it's not going to fit the entire screen, but it will show you all how to get started on your Elements of Art booklet, which once again is sort of the first project that we'll be doing in class this semester, just to review the elements of art and the principles of design before we delve into some deeper projects. So each of you will receive a stiff piece of paper, probably watercolor paper, that will be measured already to be 21 inches long by 4.5 inches high. And what you're going to do is, with a yardstick or a ruler, if that is all you have available, you are just going to measure and make 3-inch hash marks all along the top and the bottom of this page. So I'm going to make a mark of the 3, the 6, the 9, 12, 15, and 18. And you do want to be a little bit more careful than I am in terms of making sure that you are making your marks at the correct spot. So the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. And what that's going to do is give us hash marks that are at the top and the bottom, so that we can connect those across to make a perfectly parallel set of lines to divide our page into 7 equal sections, since there are 7 elements of art. So I'm just going to put a ruler down, make sure that that ruler is touching both hash marks, and I'm just going to draw that line across. Now, a lot of times when you're using the hash mark system, you are creating a grid in which to draw, and you will want to make sure that you are making your lines pretty light. For the purpose of this project, the lines are not a grid, they are actually division lines, so it's okay if they are a little bit dark. So then once you've got all of your lines drawn, you have to fold your paper sort of accordion style, the way that this one is, sort of zigzaggy. So you're going to have to fold along the lines. So what I did to make it a little bit easier on myself was I used the metal end of a compass, and I lined my ruler back up with the line that I've just drawn, and then I just kind of scored the page. And you can do that with a sharp pencil. You can do that with the blunt edge of a pen, like without the ink out. You can do it with a knife if you have to, just be very careful. But essentially what we're doing is just scoring the paper, which means that we're not cutting it, but we're making a bit of an indentation in the paper so that it's much easier to fold. So now our paper is going to be much easier to fold as we go about making that accordion style. So as I fold that way, you can see that it's directly on the line here. And then I'm going to fold the opposite way on the next line. And then back in on this line. And then the opposite way once again. And then in. And then one last little opposite way. So that then you end up with an accordion folded piece of paper, and you'll be able to put each element of art on the side that is facing out, so that it will stand up and we'll be able to see all of your different interpretations of how to create the elements of art, which will be in a separate video.